NASA ISRO's Synthetic Aperture Radar or NISAR, an Earth science satellite being jointly built by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA and the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO, got a send-off ceremony in California before it ships out to its last stop, India. Outside the facility, in front of a scale model of the NISAR satellite, NASA's NISAR project manager Phil Barela and ISRO's NISAR project director C.V. Srikanth ceremonially broke fresh coconuts. The tradition, common in India, often marks auspicious occasions and signifies hope for a smooth road ahead. Leshin also presented the ISRO delegation with a jar of JPL Lucky Peanuts. ISRO Chairman S. Somnath, JPL Director Laurie Leshin, and dignitaries from NASA headquarters, including Bhavya Lal, NASA's Associate Administrator for Technology, Policy and Strategy, were present at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory for the send-off. Today, we come one step closer to fulfilling the immense scientific potential NASA and ISRO envisioned for NISAR when we joined forces more than 8 years ago, Somnath said. This mission will be a powerful demonstration of the capability of radar as a science tool and help us study Earth's dynamic land and ice surfaces in greater detail than ever before, he added. NISAR mission, planned to launch in 2024, is expected to systematically map Earth using 2 different radar frequencies to monitor resources such as water, forests, and agriculture. The mission will provide important Earth sciences data related to ecosystems, Earth's surface, natural hazards, sea level rise, and the cryosphere. It will observe Earth's land and ice-covered surfaces globally with 12-day regularity on ascending and descending passes, sampling Earth on average every 6 days for a baseline 3-year mission. NISAR will provide critical information on Earth's crust, ice sheets, and ecosystems. By delivering measurements at unpredicted precision, NISAR's promise is a new understanding and a positive impact in communities. Our collaboration with ISRO exemplifies what's possible when we tackle complex challenges together, added JPL Director Leshin. Since early 2021, engineers and technicians at JPL have been integrating and testing NISAR's 2 radar system, the L-band SAR provided by JPL and the S-band SAR built by ISRO. Later this month, they will move the SUV-sized payload into a special cargo container for a 9,000-mile flight to India's U.R. Rao Satellite Center in Bangalore. There it will be merged with the spacecraft bus in preparation for a 2024 launch from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh state.